Hello, I'm in a 2009 Honda Ridgeline, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then there's two areas you can double check. This is the cap to your radiator, but typically this is where you would add your coolant to in normal situations. And on the side you can see a max line and then a minimum line towards the bottom. You don't want it completely full. There's supposed to be some air gap, so around that max line is where you want it. And double check you've got the best coolant for your particular make and model, and as best as you can you want to match the same color and type of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match. And then also make sure your vehicle's turned off and cool down before you work on the coolant system, just since the system works under pressure and that liquid can get to a boil, so you don't want to work with this while there's poisonous boiling liquid there that could shoot out onto you. But to check here, at this point you just unscrew this top, and then either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, fill as needed to around that max mark. Then screw this back on nice and tight. And you really hardly ever should have to check, but if your system got really low, you can check here as well, which will push down and twist about twice, and this cap will pop right off. And you should see coolant right here under the center here. And you could just add some more in here if needed as well, so your radiator doesn't get low. But screw this back on nice and tight. And once you've got all these back and tight, at this point you could turn the vehicle on for a few minutes, and then as that coolant circulates through the system, check through all the lines, the reservoirs under the radiator, see if you see any leaks, any water coolant starting to puddle. If you do see liquid puddling, wait until that apart from, say, water condensation, because it should have a slight coloration to it. It should smell slightly sweet. You don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on it and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.